Oh, look who decided to get up. Coffee. Alright, so I got up and made myself some coffee. Alicia's not up yet, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a little exercise. When you're on long road trips like this, it's really easy to just get lazy and get really flabby really fast. You want to stay in shape, especially when you're getting ready to do a big backpacking trip. You want to stay on top of it. So there are a lot of calisthenic kind of thing, like no equipment exercises we can do, but we also have these exercise bands, and those go a long way to helping keep up that muscle mass. We'll put a link in the description to one of our Instagram stories that has a no equipment full body routine that's amazing. Oh, look who decided to get up. Coffee.
Thank you.
Nice way to start the day. So don't get me wrong, there is literally nothing out here, but some of it is quite lovely. I'm not saying I'd build a summer home here, but anyway, some of the landscape actually reminds me of the background for, what was it? Was it Windows XP? The rolling grassy hills? That's kind of what it reminds me of. Anyway, we're getting pretty close to where we're staying tonight, so I'm tempted to drive further, but I think we'd have to go pretty far to find another place to sleep tonight.
Place that's not a Walmart parking lot anyway.
So I think we'll just end up at this rest stop. Just kidding! We decided to drive into Great Falls after all, and we're actually gonna park at a Walmart. It's not 24 hours, so it should be quiet at night, and there are a lot of RVs that park there, so we'll just kind of, you know, work our way in there with the RVs.
We wanted to use some Wi-Fi, you know, and like get some food that we didn't have to cook ourselves.
Yeah, so it's not a huge, you know, sprawling town or anything, but there is a Starbucks.
Starbucks. Better for working in than drinking coffee in.
Also, there is a Taco Bell, which seems to be our only option for vegan food eating. Here's to crappy food on road trips. So anytime there's a Starbucks in town, we usually hit it up because, generally speaking, they will have the most reliable internet around. So that's where we get a drink and work. Now I get to go to Walmart for a few things. Not my favorite place to go, but sometimes you just don't have a choice.
Look, here's one, $4.96. Tire sealant and inflator.
Should we get 2 of those tire sealants?
No. What are the chances that we get 2 flat tires? Knock on wood. I'm knocking on wood as we speak.
Let the record show that, against my better judgment, we're only getting 1 of these. Hopefully we don't need it.
Knock on wood.
Okay, so we got the fix-a-flat stuff, and we have a tire inflator. So,
I feel like
we also have our donut. So, our donut in the back.
I feel we also probably need some of these just to like hang inside the car and or the tent. Just because.
Have you lost your mind? So something else that we're doing, we got some black cardstock at the dollar store, and we're going to cut it to fit the side windows so that we have a little bit more privacy and we can shut out some of the light that's going to be in this parking lot tonight.
Crafting on road trips.
Haha. Noise.
And this is why you always travel with scissors and duct tape. I'm sure there are other reasons also, but crafting.
We're gonna put the old sunscreen up in the front, and that'll take care of that. Should sleep pretty well, despite there being floodlights all around the parking lot.